Hello everyone, Sanbonani, Dumelang, Absheni, Molweni, Tobela, Lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip celebrity news. If you are new into this channel, please subscribe. Hey good people, today I'm bringing you the latest news of Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs are preparing themselves for a bruising legal battle with the Premier Soccer League PSL to defend their COVID-19 matter by roping in astute legal eagle Norman Arendse SC as part of their defense team. Chiefs and the PSL are headed for a legal showdown following the team's no-show for two of their matches in December after their headquarters were ravaged by coronavirus last month. Chiefs asked the PSL to postpone their December fixtures, but the request was declined. The PSL announced its decision after Chiefs had already missed their matches against Cape Town City and Golden Arrows. Arendse is a veteran and highly respected legal mind in the world of sport. Recently, he was in charge of Sekhukhune United FC legal team in a case against the PSL Polokwane City and Royal AM. Sekhukhune won the case against the PSL and were declared the winners of the Glad Africa Championship, resulting in them getting automatic promotion to the PSL. Do you think Kaizer Chiefs will win this case? Please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get more news on this channel. 105 Online channel loves you. Bye good people.